100,000 people are expected to move to central Manchester by 2025, increasing demand for the best new apartments in the most convenient and popular areas of the city centre. Located just 10 minutes walk from Ancoats and the Northern Quarter, within the master-planned £4 billion Victoria North regeneration area, the Forum provides the perfect opportunity for investors to ride the city's next wave of growth. These are high-quality properties with vast living dining rooms, floor-to-ceiling windows, and Juliet or private balconies in all apartments. But it's the chance to buy at a discount that really stands out. Only a limited number of properties are being sold off plan, with the rest being held back for sale at full price after completion. This means investors are getting a genuine discount, plus the option of a 6% rental assurance in year one, or up to 7% rental yield forecast on the open market, with up to 75% mortgages available and prices starting from under £200,000. This is a rare chance to make serious money on an investment of less than £50,000. Register now to request the financial forecast and instantly download a brochure.